Well, good morning, everybody. I ended up not filming any of the Expo yesterday. Kobe's and I just walked around and filmed all day yesterday. It wasn't even worth a vlog. This morning, I am going to head back. We have some for now. It is supposed to rain later. I need to get some more B-roll, meeting up with a guy that does some video work with me, and then heading towards Vegas to meet up with Wonderboom to get some woodwork done. So I ended up staying at another spot that's just absolutely gorgeous. I'll be sure to put the GPS link in the description, but it's free dispersed camping. You can stay here for 2 weeks, fire pit. The cell reception's a little tricky. I think Verizon is the main one up here, but I literally just got rid of it before I got up here because Verizon has a $65 a month plan right now, where what I was paying for my previous plan was about $200 a month, and that was because it was a grandfathered plan from eBay. So it was one of the 2005-2006 plans. So I got rid of that, and actually, when I get back from the Expo today, there's a Target parking lot down the road from where the shuttle picks us up, and I can park the bus there, just walk over to the Verizon store and get that data plan, because I think it's ending this upcoming Wednesday, so in 4 days it'll be ending. So I want to get that all set up. That way I'll have AT&T and Verizon in the booster, and then my cell phone will have the T-Mobile, which the T-Mobile card is what's working here. AT&T was not working too well at all, where T-Mobile I was able to do everything I needed to do. So Kobe's and I are going to get on the road and head towards the campus. So this new spot's a little bit more rough than I originally planned, but I think I got a decent path out of here as long as I take it slow, and just kind of hoping for the best. Last time I came into this area and just backed up because right in front of me there was a car where people were camping, and I wanted to give them their space. So yeah, we're going to give it a shot. So far I've been massively impressed with how this bus handles in, some of these tricky situations. So here we go. Alright, just leaving the Expo. Just got some B-roll footage. Hung out with Matt from Enjoy the Journey today. He's living full-time on the road in his Sprinter van, and just getting some plans made with him. I'm about to run by the Verizon store, see if I can get that unlimited Verizon card, and then off to meet Wonderboom to get some woodwork done. So exciting stuff. Very excited. I now have unlimited Verizon, unlimited AT&T, and unlimited T-Mobile for all my internet needs. It is a little bit overkill, but when 100% of your income comes from making money online, your priorities shift. So I think I got a little bit of a game plan for how I'm going to get out of here. Basically going to try and come in, or rather go out the way that I came in. I'm going to pull forward to the left over here, then back up nice and slow, and then head out. So let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, not too bad at all. We're gonna be heading lower elevation, get out of this super chilly weather. As you can see, it is snowing a little bit here. It's looking like where I'm going in Nevada, it's going to be better in general. It's going to be sunny, high of 71, low of 40 or so. So very excited to get there, find the nice little medium temperature. Not too hot, not too cold. Oh no, this is a stop. Shoot. Thought this was a light. Might take some time getting out of here, unfortunately. Hopefully I can get out of here before any snow actually starts to accumulate. Just have a center lane up there that I can go out on and then get over into traffic. Because right now it is, actually it's 10 till 3. I'm surprised there's this much traffic. That worked out. Got a nice gap. Take that. Alrighty. Catch y'all there.
That ain't mine. That ain't mine. Yeah, I'm wandering through a world that ain't hers, that ain't hers. Well, I'm living through a heart I don't know, that I don't know. And I'm singing through a soul that I don't know, that I don't know. Well, honey, I'm just a ghost in this town. Yeah, honey, I'm just a ghost in this town. Honey, I'm just a ghost in this town. Well, I'm swimming in an ocean, and it's all mine, yeah, it's all mine. And I'm running through a forest, and it's on fire, yeah, it's on fire. And I've been searching for a river to lead me home, lead me home. But I wish I'd find it soon.